Yeah, g'day folks, here we are. We've got a Trail Boss 1500 Silverado, and we're just about to go to work and put some nice electric side steps on it. So we'll give you some before and after shots, and yeah, we'll talk to you soon. So two of the units on, very simple, very easy. They just go into existing nuts in the bodywork. Like I say, very simple, very easy. Other ones there, they're no trouble. You know, I suspect the wiring is a bit involved. I mean, they allow, I think it's about 5 hours to fit these, and realistically the steps would take about half hour to put on. So I reckon we're going to be in for quite a bit of wiring. Got the little sensors on for the door. It's a magnetic sensor. Another one goes on the back of the door there, you can see. And we have that same thing, back door, operates the steps. And we've chosen to put the on-off switch for the steps here next to the gear selector. It was easy to put in and hide the wire in underneath the boot there. She runs down underneath and inside. It's been a bit of a job. Like I say, the mounting brackets for the steps are the easy bit. Mounting brackets are motors. Excuse my messy shed. And we're just about to put the boards on, and then all we need to do is wire the main all the wiring's up in there, little lights underneath, and we just need to run the main wiring harness back up into the engine bay and to the battery. Just got to try and, don't know if you can see that clearly or not, but you know, get the wires up out of the way. Wiring harness all tucked up nice and neat. Got to keep it right away from the tail shaft up in there again. I don't know if you can see it or not. Heat shield supplied with it, all runs up past the exhaust there. And yeah, we'll just get this wiring harness here in after I put the boards on. Here we are, finished product. Super neat. A really good fit. That is the Go Rhino by Upfitter, and supplied by Ram Mods Australia to this Silverado. Yeah, perfect fit. They work a treat in the fact that either door can, you know, any of the doors can open them up. As soon as you shut the door, they close again, and these are activated by the little electromagnets that I pointed out before. Yeah, really good, really strong, very happy, and I'm sure my customer will be as well.